Hello and welcome to the session on Mac OS X operating system. In this session, we will be learning about timeline of Mac OS operating system, all systems of Mac OS and its versions. Before learning about Mac OS operating system, we need to learn about what is operating system. Operating system is a set of program that coordinates hardware functions, interaction between application software and computers of hardware. Operating system acts as an intermediate between the hardware and the software part of the computer. Timeline of Mac OS is given as System 1 1984, System 3 1986, and so on. Desktop market share of Mac OS operating system according to 2014, the pie chart is given as 7.65%. System 1 introduce menu bar, pop-up menus, concept of drag and drop and direct manipulation. Only runs one application at a time based on pioneering GUI technology developed at Xerox PARC. System 2 in April 1985 introduced multiple folders, the shutdown command and quick launching application features. Added support for AppleTalk, networking and the newly introduced Laserette to use it. Also introduced the HFS, Hierarchical File System. System 3, January 1986, implemented HFS, supported for several new technology and including SCSI and AppleShare and Trust Budgie. Introduced the Mac Plus. The next system is System 4, January 1987. Software for improved hardware expansion slots. The Apple Desktop Bus ADB internal hard drive introduced the Mac SE. And next is System 5, October 1987. Added Multi-Finder, which allowed cooperative multitasking. So time was given to the background application only when running the application yielded control. System Software 5 is the first operating system to be given. System 6, April 1988, added Macro Maker, allowed users to record mouse and keyboard inputs at macros. A complete, stable and long-lasting operating system. A maximum of 15 disk accessory could be installed at one time. System 7, May 1991, added virtual memory, personal file sharing, QuickTime, QuickDraw 3D, and improved UI. Used over a megabyte. System 6 took up to 600 KB. It was the first Apple operating system to be launched. System made July 1997. Improved multitasking, files can be copied in the background. GUI skin introduced. Released shortly after Steve Jobs returns. Initially planned as Mac OS 7.7. System 9, October 1999, that is Sonata, provides a much improved memory implementation and management. Improved support for wireless networking means the first use of centralized Apple software update to find and install OS and hardware updates. System 10, OS X Cheetah, March 2001, introduced the Launchpad, a springboard style home for application. OS X is a Unix based operating system, heavily criticized for the three main reasons. Next is version of OS. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 versions of Mac OS X. OS X version 10.1, September 2001, Puma. Introduced Apple Script, allows scripting access to system components, easier CD and DVD burning and DVD playback support. Still criticized for interface responsiveness that was sluggish. OS X version 10.2, August 2002, Jaguar. Introduced rename Bonjour, allows network devices to find each other, added Inkwell for handwriting recognition. The operating system was available for single computer installation or in a family pack, which allowed 5 installation. Allows OS X version 10.3 October 2003 Panther allowed a user to remain logged in while another user logs in. Text edit now compatible with Microsoft Word. Checks made during the installation process to get it to work. OS X version 10.4 April 2004, that is the Tiger, added Quartz Composer, a development tool for processing and rendering graphical data, added dashboard, a widget application. Apple announced a transition to Intel's x86 processor during Tiger's lifetime. OS X version 10.5 Leopard, October 2007, network file sharing improvement including more granular control over permission, introduce an automated backup utility called Time Machine. According to Apple, it was 300 change, and OS X version 10.6, August 2009. Snow Leopard improved performance, data efficiency, and the reduction of its overall memory footprint. Implemented stack protection and sandboxing. OS X version 10.7 July 2011 includes the easy navigable display for all the installed applications, improves the recovery partition for tools. Applications such as Office for Mac 2004 AppleWorks and early version of QuickSend for 2007 Mac and no longer supported. Version 10.8 allows user to easily manage and synchronize content between multiple Apple devices. New malware login system Gatekeeper. This was all in June 2012 and its name was Mountain Lion. OS X version 10.9 September 2013 Mavericks. The update places emphasis on battery life and Finder enhancements. Added more Apple iOS apps to the OS X platform. The next is OS X version 10.10 October 2014 Yosemite. New features focus on increasing integration with other services such as iOS and iCloud. Some icons change to correspond with iOS 7 and iOS 8.